Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my unapologetically dope family here on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about how to become who you are. Yes, who you are. Before we get into it, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Share to friends who you think need this message. Share just because you support and you love me. If you want to donate, if you want to buy tarot readings, by all means check out my links and stuff below. Alright, with that being said, becoming yourself is kind of hard sometimes because we grow up in a society, again, like I always say, that likes to tell us who we are, what we like, what makes us happy. And again, society doesn't know a damn thing about what makes us happy. Only we can know that. But we can only know that when we quiet the chatter in our mind and quiet the chatter that we hear on a daily basis from everything else. Not only from other people, but from TV, from media, from ads everywhere saying you need this, you need that, so you need this. You know, you have to sit in solitude with yourself and try to get to know yourself. Every day should be your goal should be expanding in your knowledge of self. Meaning, I spent hours in the library myself trying to figure out what an introvert is, why the hell I was filled and plagued with anxiety, depression, what trauma was, you know, learning every aspect of myself. And I still have a lot more to go. It's still an ongoing process in life, but part of becoming who you are is learning about yourself. If you're always trying to distract yourself with, you know, hanging with friends all the time, which is good, hanging with friends or going out partying and doing this and doing that, always on the go, you won't have time to slow down and hear yourself. That's why you always hear a lot of spiritual teachers talking about meditation, just being, just slowing down. You learn a lot within those silences, within those moments of being alone. And a lot of people are actually afraid to be alone in our society, which is really crazy to me. Except, shout out to my introverts, you know what's up. When it comes to being alone, we're actually pretty comfortable with being alone and in silence. Now, it's not to say that that's the only way you can find yourself. Sometimes a lot of it is also exploration, so exploring more of what you like to do, getting out and traveling, not limiting yourself. Not a part of human nature is exploration. So we start to go crazy when we stay the same. We're trying to stay in the same city for all our life and not trying to venture out, not trying to learn new languages, not trying to taste new foods, not trying to meet new people. When we try to confine ourselves to these boxes, we don't allow ourselves to become who we truly are, which is our greatest version, which we can only be if we allow ourselves to reach our highest potential financially, spiritually, mentally, and physically. So, learning not to sleep on yourself. Alright, so how to become who you are? So, it's really simple. You have to just first learn about yourself. Once you learn about yourself, you have to be courageous enough to go after your desires. In a lot of self-help books that I've been reading, and a lot of money books of successful people, understanding that your desires are normal. If you were put here on earth to go after your dreams, it wasn't just coincidence that you were put desires in your mind, body, and soul to go after. And a lot of people ignore them because they feel guilty, or because people tell them, you're not supposed to want this, you're not supposed to want that. That's bullshit. You know, you were designed to be uniquely you, and you owe it to yourself to go after your dreams and to become who you are. A lot of us have very strong passions in ourselves. We want to be activists, we want to be musicians, we want to be artists, whatever the case may be, and you owe it to yourself to go 100 with that. So a lot of us, we have this vision in our mind every day of who we want to be, and it's just a matter of allowing yourself to be that person. A lot of us want to be millionaires, but we feel like it's out of reach. Why the fuck not? You know, you have to really give yourself permission to become rich, to be great, to try new things. It's really up to you. It's nobody else's business. It's nobody else's control. It's all within your control. Now, you have to just change some thinking patterns, some thought process in order to become you. And all that is just a learning process. All that is just with a Google click away, a book away, you know, or even a doctor's appointment away if you need therapy. Whatever works for you, works for you. And you can change that route at any given moment. You don't have to stick to one route in your life. You are the master creator, remember that, and you maneuver this shit how you need. Alright, so if that resonated with you guys, please share, like, comment, subscribe. You guys have some explaining to do because I'm supposed to have way more subscribers than this. I'm almost to 3,000. Maybe I'll do like a contest or some more featured videos. If you guys have some more questions, please don't hesitate to email me or hit me up on Instagram, Oshun_the Great. But yeah, by all means, be dope, be you unapologetically. Peace.